This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Caroline McCartney. This magnificent home located in Norfolk's West Freemason Area Historic District, built in 1883, has been totally restored by current owner. Amenities: 6 to 7 car detached garage with an entertainment/living area above along with in-ground pool, bluestone patio and a large parking area. The property has extensive professional landscaping, a gated entry and wrought iron perimeter fencing. This 3-story home's living area is 7,408 sf with 4 bedrooms, 5 full baths and 2 half baths. Custom features include period paneling, extensive wood moldings and trim, beautiful stairways, and hardwood floors. Fireplaces: 5 total, 2 are gas and 3 decorative. Amenities include crown, chair, dentil and wainscot, leaded glass windows designs, stunning light fixtures and chandeliers, fully appointed chef's kitchen, master bedroom with separate his and hers baths and closets, each dressing room with walls of closets, a rooftop deck.